Hey everybody, Mr. Troy here. It's time for Mr. Troy Does Math, a chill video series where I do math problems and talk about them so you can see how I think about them. Here we go. What a nice little song. All right, here we go. New problem. Okay, which equation could represent the graph below? Well, it's not going to be either of these two because they have an x in them, which would lead to me having a 0 at 0. So if I have an x plus 2, that'll give me a 0 at negative 2. And if I have an x plus 3, that'll give me a 0 at negative 3. So I'm going with this one. Yes. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can't get a harder one. Ooh, nice. Okay, so which equation could represent the graph below? Let's see. It's got to have a repeated factor because it's bouncing. So it's got to be... Oh, well, these all have repeated factors. How nice is that? All of the signs have to be the same since everything's on the left side, so they all have to be x pluses. So I want an x plus 1 times an x plus 3 times an x plus 3. Okay, so again, I knew that since this was a bounce, it had to have multiplicity 2. It had to be, what do you call it? A repeated factor. So that's how I got that one. Okay, I went up a difficulty level. Let's see how this goes. Okay, which equation? So this is very similar. I've got an x plus 6 and an x minus 6. Okay, I get it. So I want this one, I think. So it's got a 0 at 0. So that's either of the two bottom ones. And then it has to have an x plus 6 and an x minus 6, which would make x squared minus 36. X squared plus 36 wouldn't have any real zeros. All right. Okay, that's probably the same problem. I wonder if do you think these are all the same problem? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, nice. I like this one. Okay, so we have an x plus 6 because of the negative 6 is the 0. And then we need to have an x plus x squared plus 4 because it can't have any more real zeros. So I'm going with this one. A little nervous. Okay, no, nothing to be worried about. Now let's go up to the hard difficulty level. Okay, I went up to level 3. I don't know what makes it level 3, but we'll see. Oh, big numbers maybe. Okay, so I've got a repeated 0 at x equals 8, so I'm looking for something with an x minus 8 quantity squared. But I don't want my 0 at negative 6 to be repeated, so I need to pick this one that doesn't have it squared, because it's not bouncing off there. Okay, then, just to be sure, the y-intercept would be 64 times 6, which is like, I don't know, 384 maybe? I paused the video after I said that to check with my Google thing, and I was right, which made me happy. I love getting math facts right. And hey-o! All right, let's see if we can't find another one. I'm guessing that these are all pretty similar. Okay, well that's at least a neat graph. So x minus 4 quantity squared, x minus 6 quantity squared. because it's bouncing off the graph in both of those locations. The positive 4 would be a 0 for this. The positive 6 would be a 0 for this. All right, not bad. Thanks for watching. Hope that was chill enough for you.